We're here in DRV. We're going to get a tour of one of their RVs from Kyle. So, Kyle's, take it away.
Hey, so thank you, Kyle with DRV. So with Mobile Suites, we build and warranty for full-time livability. So we are not your average fifth wheel on the market. So we are going to be on a Moride independent suspension standard with Kodiak disc brakes. We're going to be on a frame that's built and made specifically and only for DRV, and it's going to be a 15-inch triple box stack tube frame. So this isn't your standard 12-inch I-beam frame. We have a 3¼ inch thick sidewall, so we're the thickest in the industry. So this floor plan here that you're going to see, this is actually a brand new floor plan for us. This is our front bunk model. It's our Orlando. So with this, we kind of wanted to do something a little bit more unique, with a sense of, we know our customers are going to be full timing, they're going to be working on the road, with COVID, homeschooling. So we have a little bit of a different setup on the front. So opposing bunks with a desk, so those customers and their kids can sit there and work and do schoolwork if they need to. So if you guys want to go inside, I can point out some cool features.
Sounds great.
So when you walk in here, we still, things don't change with the Mobile Suites product, even though, we hear a bunk model, it kind of raises hair up on people's, on their necks. But with us, what we did was we still wanted to give you the, livable, functionable living room kitchen. So still getting that Insignia 4-burner, still getting that 55-inch TV over here, still getting your residential refrigerator opposed from that oven. Still solid surface all over this coach, so we still want to give you that upgraded feel. And then behind you is that bunk room I was actually talking about.
I'm going to ask you a question,
Yes.
because I'm noticing a couple of things here that I don't see in other RVs. It seems like the ceiling is really high.
Extremely tall.
What's the height on that?
So you're about 11 feet.
11 feet.
Yep.
Okay. And then the recliners here, do you have the option to get them in leather, or do they just come in cloth?
So we have 3 options. So this is actually going to be the only option that we offer in the cloth material. So this is our granite. And then we have in our other 2 floor plans here at the show, we have 2, it's like a synthetic material with a 2-year warranty on it. And that's going to be our Luna, which is going to be almost a khaki white color, or a truffle, which is almost a tannish light brown color.
Okay, so I have to ask John. John, come on. We have to give it the John test.
All right, so
Have a seat.
have a seat.
Tell us how comfortable it is and recline in it.
Oh, this is soft. Let's see. Powered.
Sometimes I lose John and he stops working once he finds a comfortable chair.
This is getting nicer. There we go.
Okay, he's gone. So also, can you tell me about your warranty? Because I know you just told me the warranty on that, but what is the warranty for your RV for structural and...
Yeah, so it's pretty standard in the industry, right? But it's the 3-year structural, 1-year limited warranty with a 2-year bumper to bumper. And then everything kind of appliance-wise is going to have more of that 2 to 3-year warranty. And then also with your roof, depending on which one you go with, a 1-piece rubber or a fiberglass.
Oh wait, so you can choose which roof?
You can.
Oh.
Yeah, you can with Mobile Suites. Yep.
Okay, so what other things can you...
So there's different options that we have. So you can get heat pads on your tanks. You can get, we semi-custom some things. So if you wanted to add outlets and light switches in certain places, we're able to do that. Cabinetry. We know we can make certain modifications to cabinetry within reason. When we start reinventing the wheel and floor plans is when my hands get slapped a little bit, but...
You should have started with that. Really?
I'm sorry, I should have.
Now, is that refrigerator, that's 110?
Yes,
or?
yep.
Okay.
So this is going to be run off of a 1,000 watt inverter. And then we also have the ability to upgrade that inverter too, to a 3,000 watt inverter, so that customer can kind of get the more functionality and the home use out of this coach.
Okay, I have to step back for a minute because that light just caught my eye. I just think that is so unique. I really, really like it. And then we have a fan up here as well. Now, you were going to show us the bunks?
Yep, that's actually up this way.
After I started asking you a million questions.
So again, when you come up here, we still use every inch of space on this upper deck. And we wanted to, again, give our customers, that younger clientele that's coming in with those younger kids, the ability to enjoy a mobile suites.
Or even those married couples that just don't want to be together anymore.
And you know what? We have the ability to kind of make this into a queen bed option too.
Oh, really?
Yep. So we can remove the desk, modify this into like a dresser.
Well, could you make this, here's a question, because I really, and I'm going to show this to everybody, I really like this desk. I think it's pretty cool. Could you modify that to have a queen bed in here and keep the desk?
So it would be a little bit of a challenge to keep the desk in here, because once you put your queen mattress here, it's going to take up quite a bit of space. The only issue you're going to have, since this is more of your upper deck slide, this isn't I would say a true flush floor slide. So it's going to sit up. So once that desk gets in there, you would kind of have to modify the desk lower, remove the window, and then keep your chair off the slide. So there's certain things you'd have to keep in mind.
See. So both of these bunks are on a slide?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. And then behind us, that's a really nice television.
Right.
And this would be great for the kids.
Absolutely. Tons of hanging space, tons of dresser drawers, a lot of cabinets up here. And that's one thing that we wanted to give that customer, because in a normal mobile suite, this is your closet, right? And a customer that's full timing in this thing, they want to utilize as much space as they can. So that's why we came up with this and just gave them everything that they would have asked for up front.
Great. Well, can you show us the master bedroom?
Absolutely.
Or I guess it's called now the ensuite, or I don't know. People have different names for it now.
Absolutely.
Oh, wait. I love this here. Like this little nook right here.
Yep.
That's pretty cool. Sorry.
So this is your master. This is going to have a king bed standard. So we do have the options as well to go to a king or a queen, excuse me. We do have the options to also offer it's a Comfort Select mattress, which is your Sleep Number mattress in a sense. Sleep Number got out of the RV industry, so we kind of had to go to the next best thing. Still almost manufactured by the same company, gives you the same functions. So we have that ability to do that too. So if the customer then got a queen bed, we could fill in with nightstands, so those CPAP users would have more of a ease of mind knowing that thing's not going to fall on them in the middle of the night. And then over here too, again, most traditional floor plans are going to have that front cap as your closet. With us, we give you the ability to have a vanity slide. So tons of space in here to hang up shirts, dresses, and then below too as well. Just tons of pull-out drawers with their soft close cabinets, soft close drawers, glides, just tons of space. We want to give the customer, again, that's living in this as much space as they're used to of living in their house. And then if you want to come back here, if both of us will fit, this is my favorite bathroom setup. So with your taller customers, because I'm 6'2", the average height for an individual is about 6 foot, 6'2", on the male side. Females don't have issues with this, but us taller gentlemen do. So this is why this is my favorite floor plan, because when I come back here in this bathroom, I have no obstructed headspace.
You have no issues at all. This is really, wow, because of the high ceilings,
right.
Of course.
And again, keep in mind I'm 6'2", so I can't even touch the ceiling. And then you'll still have your nice vanity back here. Again, more storage above, below, your foot flush toilet over here as well, and you'll have your monitor system.
And I'm guessing that is porcelain?
Yes.
Okay, great. Anything outside? Anything else outside we should know about?
Outside, we're a hung glass construction. That's going to be all hand masked and painted. So there's no decals on this coach. The only thing that you're going to get as a decal is going to be your Mobile Suites emblem on the front, and then the big D, and then one on the back side. So everything on this coach is going to be hand painted. It's a Sickens automotive paint. So if you guys wanted to go to an auto body shop to get things repaired, you can do that. Nice. Again, we talked about options of fiberglass roofs. We have the ability to put an outdoor entertainment center in these units if we need to, slide toppers, slide out storage trays. So there's a lot of stuff that, DRV is capable of doing that a lot of other manufacturers can't.
Great. Well, that's a wealth of information. Do you know what the tank sizes are for your black, your gray, and your fresh water?
So your 100-gallon fresh, 75 gray, 50-gallon black.
Perfect. Well, it looks like people are starting to show up to the show, so I'm just going to go ahead and thank you now for taking your time and showing us this model. We're going to go and run and take a look at the other models that you have too, but this is a very interesting setup. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you guys, I appreciate it.
One thing you didn't show us was this half bath leading up to the bunk area. Let's take a look at it.
Okay.
Oh, this is a closet and where you put your washer and dryer. So it already has the fittings there for it. And this sink, I do like the styling here. You have your medicine cabinet. I notice all these cabinets on this unit use heavy-duty magnets instead of those clips that I'm used to, which it seems to hold very well.
Now, John, I noticed too, I know you didn't mention it, but I know you said you talked about the washer hookups, but there's also opening for the dryer vent as well.
Oh, there is, yes. There's a location for that. And that closes off, and let's take a look at this. This is pretty roomy.
Awesome.
You have plenty of space.
Very good. Okay, John.
All right.
Well, as always, John and I like to go through and we like to check on the build quality of every model that we go through. We also like to give you our favorite feature and John's pet peeve. John, do you have any pet peeves on this model?
Well, I think it's a nice unit. I'm having a problem.
John is stumped?
I'm stumped.
Oh my goodness, John is actually stumped?
I'm sorry, I am.
So I'm going to have to say that my favorite feature is this area back here. I'm going to turn around. I love this space. I love the two beds on slides that open up, and I love this work area here.
And all of our work stuff stays up here and not in the living area.
Yep. So this overall is very nice. As far as the build quality, I mean, there are very little things that we have found in here. I don't like the way that they do the drawers. I don't like when you use that kind of plywoodish.
Yeah, I know you don't.
Unfinished. I would think in something as nice as this that you would want to kind of elevate that. But that's really my only complaint.
Right, and that's, I mean, the build quality itself of the drawers seems pretty good.
Everything seems very solid in here.
It does.
Yeah, so John, I think I'm going to have to give this, because there's so many drawers like that, I think this is going to be a 9 out of 10.
I think so. I think a 9 out of 10 is good for this. It's a really nice unit.
Mm-hmm. Okay, well, that's it for this one. We're on to the next one, and for more RV tours, check out this video right there.